G'day Beaks, Tech here. Welcome to my channel. So come along and join me on my beekeeping adventures, working my bees. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Click the bell to my channel to be notified of uploads. The rain has finally stopped. It's 28th of February and the sun's finally trying to come out. Time to do some work. I've got a couple of boxes of frames I've got to make up with foundation, and we'll be walking into the hives tomorrow to see just how much water there is, and also to see how much stores they've got. I'd say some of my nukes are getting a little bit light on some stores, so we'll do the finger test and check the back of them. If they're only one finger, we'll look inside to find out just if they've got much stores, or whether we've got to give them some more frames of honey. Subscribe to learn more. This is a couple of boxes of frames that have been made up and wired. So what I'll be doing now is to tension those wires and fit the foundation to them, ready for the next day's on-site working. Putting some frames together, tensioning them, and then embedding them with foundation wax. Please like, subscribe and click the bell to my channel to help it grow. Thanks for watching.